Ever wondered about the labyrinth of challenges that come with creating a Gemini LineBot? Fear not, because today it's time to illuminate this path and make it accessible for everyone. The first step involves getting acquainted with the tools essential for the job: Google Appscript and the Line Messaging API. Google Appscript, a cloud-based scripting language, is the toolbox that allows us to build, modify, and manage applications right within Google Workspace. On the other side of the spectrum, we have the Line Messaging API, a communication infrastructure that enables the exchange of information between a LineBot and the Line platform. Now, imagine these tools as two ends of a bridge. The task at hand is to connect these ends. To begin the process, an API key needs to be generated from the Line Developer Console. This key is the passport that allows Google Appscript to interact with the Line Messaging API. Think of it as the universal language they both understand. Once the API key is generated, it must be safely stored within Google Appscript. This is achieved by creating a new project in Google Appscript and setting the API key as a script property. Next, it's time to write the code that will bring the LineBot to life. The scripting process can be daunting for beginners, but remember, every expert was once a novice. The code for a Gemini LineBot needs to contain specific functions that handle events such as receiving messages, handling postbacks, and replying to messages. One crucial aspect to note is the need for a webhook. A webhook is a URL that Line Messaging API can send requests to. In this case, the webhook will be hosted within Google Appscript. Once the code is written and the webhook is set, the LineBot is ready to interact with users. However, the work is not over yet. The code must be tested and debugged to ensure that the LineBot can handle all possible scenarios without crashing or producing errors. Finally, the LineBot must be deployed and published in the Line Developer Console. This is the moment of truth, where the fruits of the labor see the light of day. In this video, we've explored the step-by-step process of creating a Gemini LineBot with Google Appscript. It's been a journey, beginning with the introduction of Google Appscript and the Line Messaging API, moving on to generating an API key, creating a new project in Google Appscript, writing the code, setting up a webhook, debugging, and finally deploying the LineBot. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Today, we've taken several steps towards demystifying the process of creating a Gemini LineBot. The road may seem winding, but with patience and persistence, the destination is within reach. So here's to the creators, the innovators, the dreamers who dare to venture into the world of coding. The world is your oyster, and the code is your pearl. Happy coding!